Audrey.
She's too interested in the salt and pepper and the...
What's that? Mmm.
Oh, well done.
Good girl.
Your
You want
first
to go down your throat?
semi-solid food. She's looking at the salsa. She wants some salsa.
Want some salsa to liven up that oatmeal a little bit?
She just likes to say salsa.
Salsa. Salsa. Excuse me. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. All over the bombo, all over the table. Look what we've got to look forward to.
Yummy.
Bottles were so much cleaner. Come and give you bottles until you're 10. No?
Yummy. How was that?
I thank you.
Try a little more?
Audrey. This is interesting. Oatmeal. Oops. And a single
That was
piece
a nice smile.
in my
Oh
mouth.
no, I think she actually got some in there.
Head back. Maybe tilt the head back a little bit. Tilt the
She's
head
gotta
back.
figure it out.
Have you figured out your puzzle? You got the star out. How about the triangle? You gonna plot the triangle? You can get it. Pull on those little things. Pull on those ribbons. You gotta pull on the ones that are attached to the triangle. Yay! Good girl! That was so good, Audrey! Good job! There's Elmo! Look at Elmo! And you took it all apart. Oopsie. What's Elmo doing, Audrey? Are you doing the hokey pokey? Yay! Are you doing the hokey pokey? Yay! Yeah. Here we go. I think Audrey can roll from her back to her tummy now, can't you, Audrey? When I want to. When the video camera's not on. Oh, there we go. Oh, no, almost. Almost. Don't get frustrated. You're almost there. There you go.
Oh,
Good girl. Yay.
Now you're up shit creek, aren't you?
George.
What are you going to do now, Audrey? Push! You're stuck.
Look at Mommy, Audrey. Hi, baby girl.
Oh.
Hi. Gorgeous. Good. What are you playing on there? Can you spin that around? Yeah.
Still not all that interested in jumping, are you? There's a little jump. There's the ball going. There's some jumping. Woo! There you go. Spin that one too.